Hey, y'all ain't never seen this view before, huh? Where are we going? Let's go, baby. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having another good day. So today we're in the truck, and we're driving it right now. So to be honest with y'all, you guys are getting lucky because this is actually like my first true time driving the truck. Like I said before, I live on base, on a military base. So the first two times I drove it, the first time I brought it home, the second time I took it to a spot on base, and then that was it. It's been sitting because I've been waiting on my paperwork and stuff to come in, my plate and whatnot. So I haven't really been driving it. I've just been looking at it and, you know, wash it and stuff. But yeah, we're driving it now though. But what we're going to do now is we are heading to my paint man, Hector. Okay, I found Hector online. He does good work, good price, all that good stuff. We're heading down to his shop because what's going to happen is he was cool enough to let pretty much y'all see the little background of it. Okay, so basically we're gonna get down there. You guys will be able to see Hector's shop, or you'll be able to meet Hector, the paint guy. He's gonna be doing the work on the bed. So if today we're gonna be getting, or not today, but we're dropping the truck off, and throughout the week we're gonna be getting the bed completely repainted, tailgate completely repainted, along with the two dents completely fixed. Was supposed to drop it off yesterday, but he got a little backed up because, go figure, Postal Service showed up with his product late, his paint late, so it pushed him back on his other project a day. So yeah, so it's Wednesday now, so I'm taking it to him now, and yeah, we're just going down there. It's like 10:30 in the morning, and yeah, it's like 10:30 in the morning. I got off work this morning probably around about 2 o'clock, 2:30. But this first time taking her on the highway, yeah, awesome. This is good, a cool experience, you guys. I never drove this truck on the highway yet. I think I did the fastest. This is the fastest I've ever gone in this truck right now. Going about 50, 52. Okay. Ride's good so far, man. I got to order 2 new front tires. Those front tires ain't gonna last too much longer, so probably gonna order those today when I get back, or when I get back home. That way I can get those swapped out, and then I'm gonna get her in alignment. But yeah, man, this is sick right here. I like this. And she got a little power too. Completely stock. Oh yeah, that's right, you guys. So I forgot to mention, tunes came in, so we got the tunes in. Last video, okay, put it like this. So tunes came in. There was a couple people saying that I guess I was throwing the company under the bus because I was mentioning them. You guys, I'm a businessman, all right? I network, and on top of that, I'm in the diesel game. Why on green, God's green earth, would I throw a company's liveliness potentially under the bus unless they gave permission? You know what I'm saying? So with Dirty Diesel Customs, I have their permission, okay? So I'm not gonna sit here and just be like, yo, you know, it don't work like that. I'm not gonna just sit here and be like, yep, you know, such and such company's doing this, that, X, Y, Z. A lot of you guys actually did hit me up for tuning. You can still hit me up, you know what I'm saying, if you want. But basically, long story short, I go through Dirty Diesel Customs. If you call or go on Dirty Diesel Customs website, I think it's like dirtydieselcustoms.ca because it's in Canada. You can make sure I miss my exit. You can go ahead and place your order on there for tuning. Okay. Man, she drives really. Oh my God, we're going fucking 77. I didn't even know that. God, it's not a bad driving truck. Little stiff in the rear because of the leaf packs, which is expected. A little stiff. The 2 front tires are definitely brand new. To help get old girl a little line. Man, this is gonna be so cool. I'm going 80 miles an hour right now, man. She's floating. Float like a butterfly. You guys, this is so excited, man. So where were we? Yeah, so dropping it off to get painted. Once he gets back from paint, the first mod that I've determined I want to get done is going to be tunes and delete, getting that exhaust set up. Yeah, we got to get that done, man. Got to get this stuff off so it can breathe right. Oh yeah, that's another thing too. All right, so all you people out there that keep saying good luck in Cali, good luck in Cali, listen, I'm not a California resident. I'm sorry. Whether you want me to be or not, I'm not, okay? I'm a Floridian, all right? And this is completely a real thing, but active duty service members maintain their state of residency from which they enlisted into the armed services. So, and if you're in the armed services and they know that, well, now you know what I'm saying? So basically, if I joined the Marine Corps out of Florida, which I did because I'm from Florida, I am still a Floridian resident. I've kept my Florida driver license the entire 10 years I was in the Marine Corps, or am in the Marine Corps. So what comes with that is you are able to keep your home estate registration, okay? Which means, and I kind of didn't understand, I kind of figured y'all would have known it because my plates have always been Florida plates, but whatever. But I can keep my vehicles registered in the state of Florida because I'm still a resident of the state of Florida. So you don't have to keep saying good luck in Cali, just because kind of got old. Man, this is awesome. All right, you guys, I ain't gonna sit here and just run my mouth this whole time. I don't even know, probably 5 minutes that went by. But when we get close to pulling up, I'm gonna go ahead and get back with you guys. You guys can check out what Hector got going on, ask him a few questions, ask him what he's gonna do, and then we're gonna leave and get out of his hair so he can get to work and tear it up, okay? Damn, that's a good looking bitch. Yo. Yo. All right, y'all. So we back here now. Just went ahead and dropped the truck off now. So we at the body shop. They're gonna go ahead and do their work. What up? They're gonna do their work. I don't want to be in their hair because they're gonna go to town. But when we get back, this is all gonna look different. Hector's gonna hook it up and his boys are gonna hook it up. When I come back to pick it up, I'm gonna have Hector on the channel so that way you guys can meet him. He can introduce his business and whatnot and go from there, man. So we're dropping her off now. And then until next time, you guys, we'll be back later. I'm looking forward to seeing it because I want this bitch to look good when we're done. So shit, y'all can't even see me. There we go. So until next time, you guys take care, be safe. I will get with y'all soon. Peace out.